Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing guys the best Rival-9 ranked play class. And this is like the class that every pro, every streamer, like everybody uses that you will see online. And let's get started. So you're going to go to weapons, you're going to go to your class. Now for the muzzle you're going to be using the Purifier Muzzle Brake S. Now and for the barrel you're going to be using Rival C Clear Shot Barrel. For the under barrel, you're going to be using DR6 hand stop. For the rear grip, you're going to be using the Rival Vice Assault grip. And then for the stock, you're going to be using the Marauder stock, MTZ Marauder stock. Now this class you'll probably see like all over TikTok, YouTube. Like this is basically everybody like that's using this class. Whoever uses the Rival-9, this is the class that they use. So yeah, anyways, that is it for the video. Have fun with the class. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.